Welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will help you troubleshoot and fix Discord issues that may be hindering your experience. Whether you're facing problems with connectivity, voice chat, notifications, or other features, our step-by-step instructions will assist you in resolving these issues quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, it's essential to check if Discord servers are operational. You can visit the Discord status page at status.discord.com, https://statusdiscord.com, to see if there are any ongoing outages. Step 2. Restart Discord. A simple restart can often fix minor glitches. Close the Discord application completely and then relaunch it to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Update Discord. Ensure you're using the latest version of Discord. To update, for desktop apps, Discord usually updates automatically, but you can trigger it manually by pressing Ctrl+R. For mobile devices, check the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, for any available updates. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for Discord to function. You can restart your modem, router. Switch to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to ensure your internet is stable. Step 5. Clear Discord cache. Clearing the Discord cache can resolve several issues. Follow these steps. Close Discord completely. Navigate to the Discord cache folder. For Windows, press Win+R, type 4 appdata%, find the Discord folder, and delete the cache folder. Reopen Discord and see if the issue is resolved. Step 6. Disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause performance issues. To disable it, click on the User Settings gear icon in Discord. Navigate to Appearance and toggle off hardware acceleration. Restart Discord. Step 7. Check voice settings. If you are experiencing issues with voice chat, go to User Settings, Voice and Video. Ensure that your input and output devices are set correctly. Scroll down and try toggling between different audio subsystem options, standard, experimental, to find which works best. Step 8. Disable VPN and firewalls. Sometimes VPNs or firewalls can interfere with Discord. Temporarily disable your VPN or antivirus software to check if they are the source of the problem. Step 9. Reinstall Discord. If all else fails, a clean reinstall can fix deep-rooted issues. Uninstall Discord from your computer. Download the latest version from the official Discord website. Install the application and log in again. Step 10. Seek help from Discord support. If you still encounter issues after trying all these steps, consider reaching out to Discord support for professional assistance. Visit support.discord.com, https://support.discord.com to submit a ticket. Thank you for following along with our guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Happy Discording!